Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can collect shells in Fish It game of Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the latest update, which is called the Stingray Shores Returns. And there is also a new event. You can go to the event menu and scroll down and you will see the summer event. And as you can see here guys, we can buy something from this summer event, but we need to collect shells. And to collect shells, all you need to do is just farming at the Stingray Shores, the new island from this update. You can do fishing here, and then you just need to wait until you get shells. You can do AFK, and once you have enough shells, you can go back to the summer event and you can buy item from here. There are boombox charm and radiant pearl, and oh, even the super enchant stone. And for the super enchant stone, you need 17k shells. Okay, I already got shells. As you can see, I got 30. Just keep fishing here guys until you have enough shells to buy limited item from the summer event. Okay guys, and that's how we can collect shells in the Fish It game of Roblox summer event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.